Oh my god, what is that? Ah, there it is. I have like a little hair go. Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my haul and unboxing video. I have some shit on my lap and I'm gonna tell you about it. I have a set of shampoo and conditioner, Tresemme 24-hour volume, full body all day. Beauty Pure and Simple, whatever, they're the ones with the freaking tea tree shit. Anyway, Protecting and Silk Blowout Quick Drying Thermal Spray. I totally blow dried my hair today. I could have tested this. That is proof I don't use this stuff until I show it in one of these fucking videos. I have two masks. One I definitely have used before. It's the Love Hemp Organic Hemp Oil Collagen Face Mask. So I have something. Can y'all read that? The fuck is that? I don't know, some unicorn mask. I didn't actually read the brand when I got it. I was just like, oh, there's unicorn on it. So to their marketing team, you win, I guess. Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. Anyway, that's all I have for today, so until the next one. Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my beauty haul and unboxing. I have an Avon order, which is actually doubled because Patty had a brain fart and now I get birthday presents of things that I wanted, but now I have doubles. I have been trying the new products by Espira, so I have a hunger block, like little supplement situation, and I have two of the Avon Put Your Cool Face On Calming Sheet Mask with cucumber and aloe vera. I'm very excited to try these. And I have two of the Avon Get on the Bright Side Brightening Sheet Mask with grapefruit and vitamin C. Not like anyone cares about fucking hand soap or anything, but I got this Walnut Avenue Agave Coconut Foaming Hand Soap. I'm really excited about finishing hand soaps because I feel like it takes a fucking coon's age just to finish them. One more Avon product. I have the Avon Gel Finish. What the fuck? Angola. Okay, there's like other languages on like the front, so I don't know what the fuck that says. But it's a pretty color, so I'll put that on my nails because, you know, that's what you do with nail polish. I know what I'm talking about. I have two more sheet masks by Nature, the New Zealand company. Avocado Omega Boost 2-in-1. But anyway, I'll try this at some point. Pre-mask Cooling Aloe Peptide Gel. What? Vitamin E Calm and Restore 2-in-1. Yeah. I get a lot of calm and restore because this bitch needs to be calm and I'm not. Okay, so I'm gonna try out the Maybelline Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. I'm like low on setting sprays again, so I'm like, well, I'll get a cheap one, it's fine. And then trying another drugstore foundation, the Revlon Color Stay Normal / Dry blah, 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 in Ivory. Oh, it says it has SPF 20, so perfect time for summer, even though you should wear SPF all the time, but whatever, white people. Sorry, skin people. Going old school here, the Herbal Essences Shine Brilliance and Chamomile. I got DOS yellow shit here, man. Yeah, that's exciting because, you know, you should shower. Anyway, that's all for this portion. See you on the next one. Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my haul and unboxing video. I have a handful of things to show you, and then that's it for this portion, so huzzah, bitches. I want to make a special shout out to Jessica for the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Natural Glow. This is super pretty and it smells good. I'm really excited to use this. I hear a lot of really good things about Physicians Formula. Also, this is something that I might give away. I need to give this a try. I got the Milani Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer. So I went to grab a 01, but this is actually in 02, and I'm really sad. I will take this as a learning experiment and be sure to actually read what I grab because, you know, things don't get put where they're fucking supposed to. So I picked up another Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer. Got my birthday present from Sephora, and it is a couple products by Drunk Elephant. I have the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream and the Jelly Cleanser. So I've not taken these out of the box, but I'm very excited to try these products. I've been wanting to try products by Drunk Elephant for a long time now, so what better way to try than with a birthday present. Ha! Anyway, that's all I have for today, and as always, everything will be listed in the description box below. I'll see you on the next. Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my beauty haul and unboxing. I just have a few things that I just want to share with you. Excuse me, don't do drugs, kids. So I went to Sam's Club and I had to pick up more Tresemme because I was there, and I had a gift card for Ulta and I picked up a few things. I still ended up spending some of my own money. It's totally worth it with some of the things that I picked up, which, spoiler alert, I used one of the products today in the Get Ready With Me that I filmed, so I figured it's fine because this will probably be up before that. But it is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness Powder. I think it worked pretty good. I'm going to play around with it a little more in a couple different applications. And then another product that I want to try that I did not try today just because of just reasons. But it is the Revolution, Makeup Revolution Starlight Liquid Highlighter. I've been eyeballing this for a long time and I decided I want to try it. Replenishing something that I absolutely live for, okay? I got this around Christmas time and honestly, I'm probably, like, I would have emptied it by now, but I've actually been rationing it just because I'm like, eh. But I picked up another one so that way I don't really have to, at least at this point, and it's the Righteous Butter by Soap and Glory. Dude, this stuff is freaking amazing. It's not terribly expensive. I mean, I think this is like 12 bucks and you get 10 fluid ounces. I mean, it's more than your average lotion. However, it's not like Boom Boom Cream, which is like 45 bucks. So it's like, but honestly, when I had both of them sitting next to each other, I don't know if it's because the Boom Boom Cream was smaller and I was trying to like ration that one, but I really did reach for this one a lot more. So I still want to get some more Boom Boom Cream, like, I'm not gonna lie, it's fine. So I wanted to try something new, and now that I've put this in my video, I am totally gonna be trying this. The EOS Unique Skin Friendly and Super Smooth Shave Cream Sensitive. I've been having a lot of issues with my legs. I change my razors regularly. I moisturize regularly, and like, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Oh, great timing! My battery light is blinking and I just finished. Anyway, until the next one. Oh my god, hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my beauty haul and unboxing. Holy shit, I have a pile of stuff and my battery light is blinking and I'm just gonna push it until I can no longer push it, okay? So, and if you're curious as to why I'm green today, I just finished the 5th quad of the James Charles Palette Challenge that I've been working on very slowly for what seems like forever. So it's gonna be really exciting when that video is finally up. I went to Ulta, of course, because that's just what you do. I'm pretty excited about some of the stuff that I got. Of course, had to check out the clearance section, and I've been really wanting like a mint green, like, nail polish, so super excited for that. Since I finished the Pacifica Kale Detox face wash, I picked up the Pineapple Cleanse Oil Slaying face wash. I'm very excited to try this because if it's anything like the other one, I'm ready for it, let me tell you. And then of course I have 2 Tony Moly masks in Nutrition. I'm Avocado, Vitalizing I'm Real Peach Mask. I've not tried these ones yet, so I'm very excited for that. Found something on like hella clearance. I suffer from redness. Obviously, I'm all caked on right now. The Alginus, there is a concentrated color correcting drops, and I got this for like 10 bucks. I'll list the retail price. I'm very excited to try this. Very, very excited to try this. Like, holy shit. I picked up different makeup wipes. They're still Equate, and they actually say makeup remover cleansing towelettes. It's supposed to be a dupe for Neutrogena's. Speaking of which, I got a package of the singles, which I know is like ridiculous, but I'm gonna be like living out of my car the week after next, and I have a new shampoo and conditioner, Aveeno Oat Milk Blend Shampoo. Sulfate free, paraben free. We'll see how this goes. On a nail polish kit, guys. I picked up a an orange nail polish just on a whim. I need to not let them get all botchy, you know. I have 2 more masks and then a special shout out. So yes, 2 cucumbers, a soothing, calming paper mask, which I think I've used this before. And then, yes, 2 tomatoes. Oh my god. Clear skin, detoxifying and hydrating white charcoal paper mask. Yeah, definitely anxious to try that one. Check out this brush set. If you recall, this was in my June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus reveal and review. This set is from Dani, so shout out to Dani, my glam sister. We did a trade, so hooked me up with fucking brushes. And if this was in a different video, because I feel I had to have talked about this with the masks. Oh well, guess who doesn't have to wash her brushes today? This bitch. So that is everything for this portion. Until the next one. Hey guys, and welcome back to another portion of my beauty haul and unboxing. Excuse the mess, and maybe at this point you've been used to the whole backdrop thing. Sorry, did not have time. So excited, like stupid. First, I'm gonna jump into this, and then big reveal. Can we just talk about my tried and true now? This pina colada, but cocoa. My Shea Sugar Scrub. Then I got a few things, I got a couple other things. I've been really wanting to try this It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. This is something I've been wanting to try over the summer. I'm gonna take it with me when I'm on vacation, kind of a thing. Another thing that I picked up just for vacation purposes is this small Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom. This is the one that I have not tried yet. Okay, moving on to bigger and better. Y'all recognize that logo? If you don't, you're fucking fired. Yes. Hello, Jawbreaker collection. Read that there. Jawbreaker bundle. Oh my god, the tissue paper is even cute. And there's a green one. I got both of them. Eyeshadows. I didn't get anything else in the collection because I'm like, I didn't want to like break the bank, but well, let's look at the mini one first. Oh my god, that's so much prettier in person. Oh my god, that's so fucking pretty. Oh my god, I'm so fucking excited. Oh my god, I want to play with it right now, but I don't, And then the big boy, look at this. I mean, it's not like super huge. Oh my god. That's my sign, Tim's on break. So that is all for this portion. Anyway, until the next one. You know, when they say when you open up wine, there's like a time period or whatever until you're supposed to like finish it. Yeah, this bottle's been open for a while. I decided to start day drinking today. And it has kind of like a cardboard taste, but like in a not terrible way. But like if I were to put this glass next to like the very first glass I poured after I opened it and let it breathe and all that fucking wine shit, it tastes like a completely different wine, man. It's crazy. Wine is not why we're here today. It's just a friendly friend sitting next to me at my table being like, hey bitch, welcome home. You haven't been home in like 3 weeks. I know, I was there, or not there, or I have a couple things from Ulta. Oh, because by the way, hey, welcome back to another portion of my haul and unboxing. I literally have 2 fucking things. Look at the size of this tube. If you know me, you know I got a big fucking head. I mean, my 5 head. This is what I got. I got the Vitabath. It's like a vitamin, but a bath. Cucumber and white tea body wash. Paraben and dye-free. Dude, this was on sale at Ulta and still in its package. I have the Eco Tools Total Perfecting Beauty Blender. That being said, when I open this, you know what I need to do? I need to make sure I throw away one of my old ones. Probably the one that like feels like it has like a lump in it. Are they supposed to have, no, they're not supposed to have lumps. But seriously, like I'm so excited for like the edge because I definitely want to try like when I bake to get like a line. That and under eye shit. Anyway, that is all for today. Just 2 items and some random bullshit. So until the next one.